Ever wonder why capybaras are so chill? Let's talk about it. Reason 1, they're squad goals. Capybaras vibe with everyone. Ducks, dogs, even crocodiles. No beef, just peace. Reason 2, built-in spa life. They basically live in water, floating around like little pool bosses. Reason 3, no rush ever. Their whole life is slow motion. Eat, swim, nap, repeat. That's it. Reason 4, no enemies. They're so chill, even predators are like, nah, he's cool, leave him alone. Reason 5, they were born chill. It's literally in their DNA. Scientists are like, we don't know, man, they're just built different. If life gets stressful, remember, be like a capybara. Stress? Never heard of it.